compliments of the season. You are welcome to Jonathan online class. In this class, we have math task on the board. Now, we are asked to find the product of HCF and LCM of 8, 12, and 20. This question seems to be very simple, but it's not as simple as people think, because sometimes some students or pupils at basic classes or junior secondary school find it difficult to solve this simple task, distinguishing the mathematical operation between HCF, which is highest common factor, and the LCM, which is lowest common multiple. Now, looking at this work on the board, in solving this, the first thing we are going to do, we find the HCF of these numbers, then we find the LCM of these numbers respectively. After that, now we now find their product. Product means multiplication. Good. Now, first, the HCF. Now we have two ways we can find the HCF, but I want us to use the one-way method of their common factors. We can look at this. 2 can go through. 2 divide 8 is 4. 2 divide 12 is what? 6. 2 divide 20 is 10. Then 2 can still go. 2 divide 8, 4, 2. 2 divide 6, 3. 2 divide 10 is what? 5. So nothing can divide them 3 again. So we have that the HCF of these numbers is 2 times 2, which is equal to what? 4. Next, we go to the LCM. We look at LCM of these numbers. The LCM of the same numbers 8, 12, and 20. So the LCM here, we have here 2 divide 8 here will give us 4, 2 divide 12, 6, 2 divide 20, 10. 2 can still go here to give us 2, here 3, here 5. Then 2 divide here, we have 1, we bring down 3, because 2 cannot divide 3 without a remainder. 2 divides 5, we bring down 5, because 2 cannot divide 5 without a remainder. So in the case of LCM, we continue. But in case of HCF, we don't continue that way. You see the difference? Okay, so the next factor here is 3. Here I'll bring 1. 3 divide 3, 1. 3 divide 5. It cannot go without a remainder. We bring down 5. So the next is 5. We bring down 1. 1. 5 divide 5 is 1. So leaving us with 2 times 2 times 2. Multiply out times 3 times 5. Which is 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24. 24 times 5. Quickly, we have 24 times 5. 5 times 4 is 20. Write 0. Carry 2. 5 times 2 is 10. Plus 2, 12. Then, so we have 120. So our LCM here is 120. Now, you can see the difference in the answers. This is HCF. The highest common factor that can go through these numbers is what? 4. That the highest factor they have in common is 4. 4 can divide this, and divide this. But this is the LCM. The lowest number, all of them can divide into without remainder. The lowest multiple. That is what? 120. Now, we are left with this operation. We are asked to find the product of the HCF and LCM of this set of numbers. So the next operation is this. The product means what? Multiplication in mathematics. If it is difference, you subtract. If it is sum, you add. Very simple. Now we have the product. The product of 4 and 120 simply implies 120 times 4. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 1 is what? 4. So 4 and what? 80. Our answer is 480. That is the answer. So a very important way to understand this, especially those in basic classes for their external examination, common entrance, first school leaving, even the basic certificate examination for those in basic 9, that is JS3. And also in senior classes, because you can come along and meet this in your mathematical exams, updating in theories. Thank you for paying attention to this class. Do not forget to visit my YouTube channel at Joe Newton Online Class. Or for more of these online classes or tutorials, you can reach out to me also through the contact here. Follow me also on my Facebook page at Joe Newton Online Class, as well as TikTok and Instagram.